Good day everyone. I'm Ria Ramos Pagtat from Group 4. So today we're going to tackle about the lesson number 5 and it's all about cement. And i-discuss din natin yung mga different types and properties of it. So first, for the introduction, we have to define what is cement. So cement, a powdery substance made with calcined lime and clay that is mixed with water to form mortar or mixed with sand, gravel, and water to make a concrete. So sabi dito, si cement daw is a powdery substance na gawa sa calcined lime at clay. So pag sinabi natin calcined lime, ito yung white crystalline oxide na ginagamit siya para makapag-produce naman ng calcium hydroxide. And para makapag-create naman tayo ng concrete, kailangan natin si sand, gravel, at water and imimix lang sila together and magkakaroon na tayo ng concrete. And for the next slide, we have the picture here for sand and gravel. So yan yung kailangan natin para maka-create ng concrete. For additional information about cement naman, so cement is commonly used binding material in the construction. The cement is obtained by burning a mixture of calcareous and argillaceous material at a very high temperature and then grinding the clinkers to produce to a fine powder. So sabi dito, si cement daw is nag-obtain siya ng mga burning a mixture of calcareous at argillaceous material. So ginagawa yung process na yun or ginagrind sila sa pinakamataas na temperature o sa pinakamainit na temperature para makapag-produce talaga ng fine powder or ginigiling talaga sila ng mabuti para pino or walang mga buo na gravel. So I have the picture here. So sa mga hindi nakakakilala, he is the Joseph Upstein. And siya yung kauna-unahang mason na nakapag-produce ng cement sa England in the year of 1924 if I'm not mistaken. So he patented it as a Portland cement.
There are different types of cement for different construction works. In addition to ordinary Portland cement, there are many varieties of cement. Important varieties are briefly explained below. First, white cement. The cement, when made free from coloring oxides of iron, manganese, and chlorium, results into white cement. In the manufacture of this cement, the oil fuel is used instead of coal for burning. White cement is used for the floor finishes, plastering, ornamental works, etc. In swimming pools, white cement is used to replace glazed tiles. It is used for fixing marbles and glazed tiles. So, white cement, as the name indicates, is a kind of cement with white color. So, yung gantong klase ng cement is best employed in architectural purposes. Second, colored cement. The cement of desired color are produced by intimately mixing pigments with ordinary cement. The chlorium oxides gives green color, cobalt produce blue color, iron oxide with different proportion produce brown, red, or yellow color. Addition of manganese dioxide gives black or brown colored cement. So, colored cement is the cement in which colored pigments are added to produce the desired color. Ito ang mga halimbawa kung saan ginagamit ang colored cement. For making terrazzo flooring, for stucco plastering, for ornamental works, for casting stones, for finishing of external surfaces, floors, windows, sill slabs, tread of stairs, etc. So, yung colored cement flooring, ito ang isa sa mga major purpose of colored cement. Third is quick setting cement. Quick setting cement is produced by reducing the percentage of gypsum and adding a small amount of aluminum sulfate during the manufacture of cement. Finer grinding also adds to quick setting property. This cement starts setting within 5 minutes after adding water and becomes hard mass within 30 minutes. Quick setting cement are the cement which gets so strong immediately after mixing with water. Ang quick setting cement ay ginagamit sa construction that need a quick setting like road construction and underwater construction. Ginagamit din ito in rainy and cold weather conditions.
Rapid hardening cement. This cement can be produced by increasing lime content and burning at high temperature. while manufacturing cement. Grinding to very fine is also necessary, though the initial and final setting time of this cement is the same as that of Portland cement. It gains strength in early days. This property helps in earlier removal of formworks and speed in construction activity. Rapid hardening cement is used in an urgent repair works in the airport, highway, and bridge deck because these are the place or areas that usually develop cracks and grubs. So, engineers often use rapid hardening cement to quickly harden or dry the cement and immediately use the areas from transportation in which avoid the traffic and delays of flight. Low heat cement. In mass concrete works like construction of dams, heat produced due to hydration of cement will not get dispersed easily. This may give rise to crack. Hence, in such construction, it is preferable to use low heat cement. This cement contains low percentage, 5% of tricalcium aluminate C3A and higher percentage, 46% of dicalcium silicate C2S. Low heat cement is specially blended to provide a heat of hydration in concrete. This unique attribute makes it ideal for mass concrete pours where the rate of temperature rise and the maximum temperature achieved must be controlled in order to reduce the risk of thermal cracking. And there are the advantage and disadvantage of using low heat cement. The advantage of using low heat cement is it can assist in minimizing the potential for thermal cracking in thick concrete section and improvise durability of performance. And here's the disadvantage of using low heat cement. This cement cannot be used in cold weathering condition and the cost of the cement is higher than ordinary cement. Pozzolana cement. Pozzolana is a volcanic power found in Italy. It can be processed from shells and certain type of clay also. In this cement, pozzolana material is 10 to 30%. It can resist action of sulfate. It releases less heat during setting. It imparts high degree of water tightness. Its tensile strength is high but compressive strength is low. It is used for mass concrete works. It is also used in sewage line works. Unlike to the rapid hardening cement that dry and hardens quickly, pozzolana cement takes a long period of time to dry, but it is very useful when it hardens completely, which usually uses to the construction of hydraulic structure, marine works, and mass concreting, such as dam, dikes, retaining wall foundation, and sewage pipe. And pozzolana cement shouldn't be used in any transportation areas because it can cause traffic, flight delays, and inconvenience of departure.
7. Expanding cement. This cement expands as it sets. This property is achieved by adding expanding medium like sulfoaluminate and the stabilizing agent to ordinary cement. This is used for filling the cracks in concrete structures. In other words, these cement are generally used to minimize cracking caused by drying shrinkage in concrete slabs, pavement structures, and in special circumstances such as prevention of water leakages. 8. High alumina cement or aluminous cement. This cement is manufactured by calcining a mixture of lime or chalk and bauxite. It is more resistant to sulfate and acid attack. It develops almost full strength within 24 hours of adding water. It is used for underwater works such as marine construction and sewer infrastructure. 9. Sulfate-resistant cement. By keeping the percentage of tricalcium aluminate or C3A below 5% in ordinary cement, this cement is produced. It is used in the construction of structures which are likely to be damaged by alkaline conditions. In other words, it is a blended cement designed to improve the performance of concrete in the event of sulfate attack. It also provides improved durability for concrete in most aggressive environment, reducing the risk of deterioration or worsening of the structure. Examples of such structures are canals and culverts. 10. Acid-resistant cement. This cement is produced by adding acid-resistant aggregated such as quartz, quartzite, sodium silicate, or soluble glass. This cement has good resistance to action of acid and water. It is commonly used in the construction of chemical factories and in facilities where heavy equipment may damage the concrete surface.
Properties of ordinary Portland cement. Now, the following physical properties should be checked before selecting a Portland cement for the civil engineering works. It will be the fineness, setting time, soundness, and crushing strength. Fineness. It is measured in terms of percentage of weight retained after sieving the cement through 90 micron sieve by surface area of cement in centimeter per gram of cement. According to IS code specification, weight retained on the sieve should not be more than 10%. In terms of surface, should not be less than 2,250 square centimeter per gram. The formula for calculating of cement is fineness of cement is equal to percentage retained is equal to weight retained over weight taken times 100. Then the percentage of the weight of cement retained is calculated on sieve. Setting time. A period of 30 minutes as minimum setting time for initial setting and maximum period of 600 minutes as maximum setting time is specified by IS code. Provide the tests are conducted as per the procedure prescribed by IS Code 269-1967. It is prepared in situation when quick construction and setup are required. Then, the minimum beginning setup time for OPC is 30 minutes and the maximum final setting duration is 600 minutes. For example, the initial and final setting time for ordinary Portland cement are approximately related as T is equal to 530 plus initial setting time. So, the initial setting time is equal to 30 minutes minimum. So, T is equal to 530 plus initial time. So, it's equal to 530 plus 30, the initial time, which is final setting time is equal to 530 plus 30 is equal to 560 minutes. From the academic point of view, and as per specification stated in IS code for the ordinary Portland cement. Crushing strength. For the mortar cubes are made with standard sand and tested in compression testing machine as per specification of IS code. Ano nga ba ang crushing strength? This is the pressure or load at which a material fails compression Pag ang crushing strength kasi, it is usually sa concrete. So ito ang values ng compressive strength after matest yung concrete based sa tagal niya ng curing. Yung IS code, pwede natin yung i-check kung pasok ba yung binigay na values na ito, kung compressive strength lang ba o ultimate strength na. Soundness. While the concrete is hardened, it is necessary to ensure that no volumetric changes takes place. The cement said to be unsound if it exhibits volumetric instability after hardening. IS code recommends tests with Le Chatelier mold for testing this property. At the end of the test, the indicator of Le Chatelier mold should not be expanded by more than 10 mm. Soundness of cement can be defined as its ability to retain its volume after it gets hardened. This means that a properly sound cement will undergo minimum volume change after it converts into the hardened state. In the soundness of test of a cement, we determine the amount of excess lime